In this video, I will show you how to use Perplexity AI to generate high-performing hook ideas for your short-form content. I'll start by navigating to the search bar to enter my primary request. I am typing a prompt asking for 5 viral hook ideas for a video about starting a side hustle with zero money, specifically requesting that the AI use psychological triggers like curiosity, bold claims, and common mistakes to ensure the content stands out. Once the prompt is ready, I click the arrow button to let the AI process the request. The results provide 5 distinct hook styles, including a curiosity gap about turning a phone into a profit center and a bold claim regarding millionaire mentors. These options are specifically designed to grab attention within the first few seconds by addressing common pain points and offering clear promises to the viewer. To take this a step further, I'll click into the follow-up bar at the bottom of the screen. I am now asking for 3 high-retention hooks for a video about productivity apps for students, using a problem-solution framework and requesting specific text overlays for each one. I click the Submit button again to refine my content strategy. The AI generates highly targeted hooks, such as one focusing on the struggle of cramming for exams followed by a clear solution. The included text overlay suggestions like deadline slipping, never miss again, provide a visual blueprint that helps stop the scroll and keeps the audience engaged throughout the video. This workflow allows me to quickly brainstorm and structure an entire content plan with very little effort. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.